Good morning, class. Today in GK, we will study the chapter The Famous Trains. In this chapter, we came to know about different, famous trains of the world, why these trains are famous, what facilities these trains provided to their customers. So, let's start doing this exercise. What we have to do? Read the description of some famous trains of the world and write their names. Here the description of these trains along with their pictures are given in this exercise. By taking the help of this clue box, we have to write the name of these trains. So let's start. First one. This is the first rail service between Adelaide and Darwin in Australia. It is about 1 kilometer long and it carries 330 passengers at a time. So the name of this train is the Ghan. Okay, the Ghan. G-H-A-N, Ghan. So let's know something more about this train. Why the name of this train is this? The Ghan, originally known as the Afghan Express. Earlier, the name of this train was the Afghan Express. The Ghan takes its name from the 19th century Afghan camel driver who arrived in Australia and helped to explore the country's remote interiors. It means the camel drivers from Afghan arrives in Australia and helps to explore the interior parts of the country. So the name of this train is after the name of the camel drivers, or you can say on the name of the camel driver. That's why its name is the Ghan. Okay, now move to the second train. This is the world's most luxurious train. It runs between Pretoria and Cape Town in South Africa. So, why it is called luxurious train and what is the name of this train? The name of this train is the Blue Train. The Blue Train, as you can see in the picture also, it is blue in color. So the name of this train is the Blue Train. And why it is called the most luxurious train? Let's see. The Blue Train travels an approximately 1600 kilometer journey in South Africa between Pretoria and Cape Town. It travels around 1600 kilometers. It is one of the most luxurious train. Why it is called most luxurious train journey in the world? The service is promoted as a magnificent moving 5-star hotel. It provides the facility of a 5-star hotel in a moving train. And what services? It is particularly famous for its super cuisines, attentive butler service, fully carpeted compartments, etc. So basically, the cuisines served here, butlers are very attentive, floors are properly carpeted, carpeted or fully tiled. So because of these facilities, the Blue Train is called the most luxurious train, and the travelers in this train are mostly the kings, presidents, prince. These are the traveler of this train. Okay. Now move to the third one. The French train was launched in 1981 between Paris and Lyon. It has set a world speed record of 675.3 kilometers per hour in 1991. So, in 1991, this train travels in 1 hour around 675.3 kilometers. Okay. TGV. The name of this train is TGV. So, TGV is basically a French high-speed electric passenger train. It is an electric train. So, it is called a French high-speed electric passenger train. TGV, basically the full form of TGV is train a grand vitesse. train a grand British. What does it mean? Train a grand British means a high-speed train in English. As well as it is the world's fastest train. It is the fastest train in the world. So, TGV is basically famous for its speed. And the full form of TGV is Train a Grand British. Okay? Now, fourth one. This superfast train was launched in 1991 and it runs through the Channel Tunnel. It can reach a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. It means it can touch the speed of 300 kilometers per hour. And it travels through a Channel Tunnel. Name of this train is Eurostar. Okay? Eurostar. Eurostar. Now, what is important about this train? Eurostar is an international high-speed railway service. The main point about this train is all its train runs through the Channel Tunnel. Now, what is Channel Tunnel? You have a question in your mind that what is Channel Tunnel? Channel Tunnel is an undersea tunnel linking southern England and northern France. Channel Tunnel basically an undersea tunnel. It's an undersea tunnel which joins southern England and northern France. And it touches the speed of 300 kilometers per hour also. Okay. So this is all about these four trains. Now, there is one question between these is which country is famous for the bullet train? So students, I want this answer from you because I know that you all know this answer. So please give me this answer. Now let's see what Froggy speaks. Maglev trains can travel very smoothly at a high speed up to 650 kilometers. These trains do not run on a track but float above it by means of magnetic repulsion. So this is very important thing and I think that you must know something more about this. So maglev train basically a system of train transportation that uses two sets of magnets. One set to repel and push and another set to move the elevated train ahead. Now, what are the countries which uses or where these trains runs? The countries are China, South Korea, and Japan. These are the countries where these maglev trains runs. These trains have the capacity to reach on the hilltop also, because basically the function of these trains are on the magnetic repulsion. So this is all much about today's topic. Students, I have prepared some homework for you which you have to give in your classwork. Now, your homework for GK is on 8/9/2020. You have to write the Maitri Express connect India with which country? Maitri Express is a train. You have to write the name of the country with which India get connected with the help of Maitri Express. And which is the fastest train in India in 2020? These two questions is your homework for today. So give your answer in your class group. Thank you.